Today I'm going to show you how to use Ispring Suite to record a screencast to train your learners or employees. Access your video studio by going to the Ispring Suite tab and heading to the Screencast tab. From here, you can choose to create either a new recording or a new project, or open a project you have already created. I'm going to go ahead and select New Recording. Now I'm ready to record my screen. I can also choose all of my recording settings here. I have the option of recording just my screen, just my webcam, or both at the same time. I just want to record my screen today, so I'm going to switch back to screen. Down here, I can select from recording an area of my screen, my full screen, or a specific application. It's possible to choose a preset video size or set my own preferred size. Lastly, I'll select my microphone, or I can mute if I prefer. There are a few extra settings down here. You can switch up the recording hotkeys, as well as the option that locks new windows inside the recording area and display icon in the system tray. On the Device tab, make sure you have the correct camera and microphone selected, as well as adjust your mic volume and set it up if necessary. You also have some additional audio recording options like turning on or off your record microphone sound, automatic noise removal, or record system audio. Okay, that's it for those settings. Now that I'm all set up, I'm ready to begin my recording. I'm going to stick with screen because I want to record my screen with a voiceover and don't need video. You will see the hotkey to press to stop recording when you are done.
Here's how to start a free trial with Ispring Suite. Begin by heading to the website and clicking the Start Free Trial button. Then, type in your email address.
Okay, now that I'm done, I will select F10 to stop the recording. When you finish recording, you will be given an option to add annotations. This will add annotations to all captured keystrokes and mouse clicks. If you check this box, they will be automatically displayed and can be edited further. They are really useful if you're teaching how to use a new software tool. If you want to change their design, just select the Customize Annotation option. Now you have the option to change the text, the font, the size. I want my font to be a little bigger, and the color. Great! When you are done making changes, select Save. Now my editor is opened up with the new recording in the timeline and with all my clips and callouts. Up here is the toolbar, and this is the canvas that shows your video content. And down here is your timeline, which has all your clips and callouts. It's easy to edit your screen capture in Voiceover before you save it. I can trim the audio and video, or adjust where they are in the timeline. I can also record new audio if I want to do that separately by selecting the Record Mic button from up top. It is also easy to change the speed of my clip. Maybe I moved through the tutorial just a little too quickly and want to slow it down. All I have to do is right-click on the clip and select Change Speed. Now to slow it down or speed it up, I just drag the ends. There. That is just a little slower and will be easier to follow. If there is a frame of your video you would like to freeze, that's easy too. I will start by selecting the frame I want to freeze by placing the playhead over top of it. Next, I will right-click and select Insert Freeze Frame, and the freeze frame will appear. Then all I have to do is adjust the length I want it to be. Okay, now I want to publish and save my project to a video file. I am going to publish to my computer today, but I also have the option to send it directly to Ispring Cloud, Ispring Learn, or YouTube. Here I will select my project name and where my file will be saved. And under Output options, I can change the size of my video and the quality. Choose from a preset or customize by adjusting the sliders. I'm going to change my settings to 100% for the best quality possible. Then save. Okay, now that I have my settings complete, I am ready to publish. If I open the folder my files are saved in, I am able to watch the video from my desktop.
Here's how to start a free trial with Ispring Suite. Begin by heading to the website and clicking the Start
And that is all you
Trial
need to
button.
know to be able to make your training videos using Ispring.